Hey everyone, it's Rita with Everything Homemade. As you can see, you're looking through my catio actually, and I use my catio in April to house my seedlings to harden off and get sun. And you can see the birdhouse and the dugout here, how much snow is still left, but how much actually is melting. You see my ducks outside, and you probably will hear my geese in the background. So it's still chilly outside. It's actually only 6 degrees Celsius. But I brought my basket out here with my gojis, and I took the containers out of my basket so the sun could hit them a little better. So these are my gojis. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So for the first day of hardening off, I am going to put them outside from 2 o'clock to 6 o'clock. And that just gives enough time for them to feel the difference from inside to outside. There's a slight breeze. If you watch the gojis, they move just ever so slightly. So it's just perfect day, and the sun's hitting on them. So tomorrow I'll do the same thing from about 2 o'clock to 6 o'clock, and then the next day 2 o'clock to 6 o'clock for about a week. As the temperature warms up, then I will increase time by about an hour. Now, I usually in April don't take my plants out till about noon just because it's not as warm. But coming closer to the end of April, I can take them out basically from 10 o'clock all the way to around 7. So it's just gradually hardening them off, because you don't, the good thing is that these gojis have been with a fan, so they're used to the slight breeze. And so if you see white streaks on your goji leaves, you know that they are wind burnt, and you definitely can take them outside, but don't put them to the wind, or get a fan on them inside. Get them used to something blowing on them. Now the nice thing is they are still tiny, and gojis do grow small, and you can see all the different sizes here, and they're looking really good. So if they are about 4 inches tall, like this one here, what I would recommend is you pinching off the tops as well. That prevents them from growing really tall. It helps them to bush out, and that's really important with gojis, because otherwise they get really leggy. So something like this, you want to take your fingers right at the top here and just pinch off that top. And I'll get it a little better when I got 2 hands, but you just want to pinch the top off. And you can definitely eat the leaves. The leaves are edible. They make awesome tea as well. So that's what I'm working on, and that's what you should be working on as well. Get these gojis hardened off so you can transplant them at the end of May, especially if you are in zone 2. Remember, I am in zone 2, so if your weather is way warmer than mine, you definitely should adjust this by maybe taking your plants out in the morning sun and bringing them out in the afternoon hot sun. So play around, you know your weather. If it's too hot, harden them off just in the morning, and then bring them in the afternoon, because the hotness will stress the plants out. For me, we're still freezing in the morning, so I don't want to do that. I wait till it warms up a bit, but we're much chillier yet. We still got snow on the ground. So thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you on the next video.